Hi everyone, this is me Supriya Gautam and welcome back to Cosplay Genie powered by Nodwin Gaming. And today we are going to work on Clove, Jeggings shorts and the waist belt. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to take this 3mm EVA foam sheet and I will cut 2 squares out of it. The dimension of this square is 9 by 9 centimeters. The breadth of this pouch is going to be 4 centimeters. So between the two square foam parts, I'm going to place these 4 centimeter strip and then I'll place the other part of the square foam part on top of it. So now as you can see, we have achieved the pocket and now I have to make a cover of it. The dimension of this cover part is going to be same as the other square parts. For detailing purpose, I'm adding thin strips. Now pasting the cover onto it. And I've added few more details. So the pouch is all ready. And now let's work on the waist belts. So at first I just figured out to make a normal waist belt and then I figured out to attach 2 more ring strips on the sides of the normal waist belt. And the crisscross pattern will be achieved while wearing this belt. So I'll show you guys in the video when I will get ready. And you can see this part in the last video of this series, which is actually going to be get ready with me. I've kept this normal waist belt detachable so that I can wear it easily, and I'm going to paste this velcro to it. I use velcro a lot in my costume because it helps me to remove my costume easily without having help from some other person, because sometimes you have to go alone to attend the event, so that's why. And I'm attaching few more details here. So the belt is ready now, and next up we are going to work on the jeggings. So basically what I have received is something different to which I have ordered. This one is quite meshy, which I didn't like it, but I somehow figured how I'm going to manage it. So basically what I'm going to do is I'll just wear something inside, which is going to be a black stocking first, and then I can wear this just to add color, that is the blue color over it. And here I am using blue acrylic paint to paint the butterflies. So after painting all the butterflies, it will look like this. Now coming back to the belt, and here I am painting it with the grey matte color. And silver paint on all the detailing that I have done on this belt. So my belt is also ready. And for the shorts, I'm using this old grey jeans which I'm going to cut. You see how perfectly it is done? In order to paint these shorts, I'm going to use this spray bottle by adding purple shading to it and spraying it all over. Look how the color is evenly distributed. So that's all for today, and I hope you guys like this tutorial, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe Cosplay Genie. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.